Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to give you a checklist, the things that you need to do to get your application approved for your COVID-19 economic injury disaster loan. This is for new applicants and also if you need to apply for an increase according to the new loan limit. So if you feel like you qualify for more funding, we're going to discuss that, what you need to bring to the table or the information you need to provide to the SBA to get your application approved. So let's go over what the SBA economic injury disaster loan for COVID-19. So the new loan limits are out. It's $2 million. Okay. It's specifically for those who have been in business January of 2020. If you open your business after January 30th of 2020, you do not qualify for this loan. Okay, so you must have been in business prior to January. They're saying January 30th of 2020. Okay, what are the loan amounts? $2 million. $2 million is the max loan amount that you can be approved for. Okay, so it's noting that now this information, they just released this information. This is off of SBA website, the frequently asked questions document, and it's on their website. I will link this document in the description section. Okay, so any loans greater than $500,000 will be approved after August the 8th. Okay, the term loan or loan term is 30 years. Your interest rate for businesses is 3.75. Private nonprofit organization is 2.75. You have a 2-year deferment period that interest accrues, but your first payment is not due 2 years after the origination of the loan with no penalties. Okay, there are fees that apply to this loan. Okay, anything that's less than $25,000, no fees if you're applying directly through the SBA. Now, any loans that are greater than $25,000, there's a one-time filing fee of $100. Okay, and it will be attached to your loan. Okay. For loans greater than $500,000, SBA is taking real estate as collateral. And they're saying that they're leaving it up to the borrowers for the UCC filing. And that's a $100 fee that is incurred with that. Okay. And it's the borrower's responsibility paying the associated fees. And I believe on top of that one-time $100 fee. Okay. So collateral is used for anything. Now, business collateral, it's not in there, but on this page, but they're saying business collateral is used for any loans greater than $25,000. You have to have a personal guarantee for any loans greater than $200,000. Okay. Now, if you want to submit your loan application, this is the link. This is the direct link to the loan. It takes you right to the loan application portal. Okay. Note, people, if you are applying for an increase, do not submit a new application. You need to go to the loan portal, or there's an email that you could request for the loan increase if you don't have access to your loan portal. But there's a direct email requesting that you could send to request for a loan increase. You need to type in the document or the description of the email, I would like to increase or request an increase of my loan, blah, 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 the number, and submit your documents in that. Usually the 4506T is required, okay? Also in the title of the email, you need to state increase your loan number, okay? So what do you need for, this is a guaranteed, this is required. You can't get out of this. Any loans less than $500,000, the minimum FICO score is 570. I have the video up there. I will link it in the description section of how you could obtain your FICO score and they're using Experian Vantage score, where you could obtain your score. Now, loans greater than $500,000, the minimum requirement is 625. And if you have dealt with the SBA before, that's still lenient for them, because I remember when I applied for my business loan and I ended up not using it, but I think the minimum score was 680. It might have been 690. But so for the economic injury disaster loan, COVID-19 is 625. Okay. What else do you need? You need your 2019 federal income taxes, including all schedules for applicant business required. If you are a sole proprietor, LLC, that type of business, you need a Schedule C or a Schedule F form. If you are a corporation, you need your 1120 forms, your 1120S forms. So these are requirements, and it's required that you have your 2019 taxes filed. This is for new applicants, and these are for applicants that are requesting an increase. The SBA will ask you to fill out the tax transcript, and 2019 is on one of them. Okay? Tax transcript is 4506T form. It's going to be required. Okay? If you apply for an increase and you have access to that 4506T form, attach it. Attach your schedules, even though they could calculate your loan amount, even though they're going to pull your tax transcript. Now, if you have started between January the 1st and January the 31st of 2020, and you have not filed taxes for 2020, you are able to submit your financial statements, including your balance sheet and a profit and loss statement for the business, okay? So if you want to know more how you could obtain a profit and loss statement, if you're in business, I suggest that you do some type of QuickBooks, and QuickBooks could generate something for you. But if you don't, I could show you on a spreadsheet what you need to include. Okay. I can't remember if I included that particular video or if I have a video out there. But anyway, just leave it in the description section if you need to figure out how to compile a profit and loss statement and a financial statement balance sheet. Okay. The next thing you need, any loans that's greater than $500,000, you need a schedule of liabilities. In one of my videos, I talked about when you're being denied, one of the reasons why they deny you, because you didn't prove that you were, there was no economic injury sustained. And I'm saying SBA has this SBA form 2020-02 form. I have a video out there how you could fill out the 2202 form. Okay. The SBA form 413 is another form. It's pretty simple to fill out. It's basically saying your how much you are worth, basically your personal net worth. Okay. And it's a calculation sheet. If you want to know how to fill out that form, leave it in the descriptions or comment section, and maybe I'll make a video about it. But the SBA form 2020-02, I will link it in the description section. In the SBA form 413, they're going to ask you about it. And any applicants owning more than 20% of the business are going to have to fill this out. Okay. I'm saying the SBA 413 to see how much wealth they have. Okay. So hopefully these things that I gave you today will help you get approval. The timelines you're looking at is about 3 weeks. That's what they've been saying. SBA just had a press release saying that they cleared their backlog, so I'm pretty sure it'll be much faster. But if you had that $500,000 loan amount that you are potentially approved for, that they calculated off your cost of goods sold and all that good stuff, you will have to wait until October the 8th to get your funding, because it's either or. If the funding runs out before December the 31st, then that's it. But if December the 1st reaches before the funding, that is the last day you could submit an application for funding. Okay. So October the 8th is the date if you are approved for more than $500,000. Another thing I want to note, you guys, you need to have a legitimate business account, banking account, if you are LLC, and more likely a corporation. It has to match your business name. Your bank has to match your business name, because SBA will deny you because of that. LLCs or 1099 contractors and stuff like that, you just need a personal account. But I know for sure if you are a corporation and if you have an LLC that's not your name, they're gonna potentially deny you if it doesn't match your business name. I think LLC, they're more lenient, but I know if your corporation doesn't match your business name exact, they would deny you for that. Okay. So that was it for our video today. Leave your comments and questions in the description or comment section. And I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.